DiCredit Fix Solutions pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume fixing credit yourself is confusing or ineffective. The surprising truth is that DiSolutions can be affordable and highly effective if you follow proven steps and utilize the right tools. Pricing is usually low. Many DiCredit repair guides and software tools cost for one-time access or small monthly subscriptions for ongoing support. These solutions typically include step-by-step instructions, sample dispute letters, and monitoring tools. For example, a subscription might provide automated templates to dispute errors, track progress with each credit bureau, and reminders for key tasks. Over time, many users see improvements of 20-50 points without paying expensive monthly fees for full-service platforms. Most people get this wrong by thinking professional credit repair is the only option. The real value of DiSolutions is the low cost combined with hands-on control over the process, allowing you to learn financial habits while correcting your credit. In conclusion, DiCredit Fix Solutions are a cost-effective way to repair and manage your credit. With discipline, the right tools, and a clear plan, you can improve your score significantly while saving money.